Welcome to Foxtecc. In this video, I'll show you how to link Google Drive to Outlook on your iPad. If you use Outlook for email and store your files in Google Drive, linking them together makes it much easier to attach and send files directly from your email app. I'll walk you through the process step by step, so let's get started. First, you'll need to have both apps installed. Open the App Store and download Google Drive and Microsoft Outlook if you haven't already. Once both apps are ready, open the Outlook app. On the left side of the screen, you'll see the side menu. Tap on it, then select Settings, which is the gear icon at the bottom. In the Settings menu, scroll down and tap Accounts, then select Add New Account. Normally, this is where you'd add an email account, but in this case, you're linking a storage service. Instead of choosing an email provider, look for the Storage Accounts section below and select Google Drive from the list. Next, sign in with your Google account and grant the necessary permissions. This step is important because it allows Outlook to access your Google Drive files. Once everything is connected, you'll be able to attach files directly from Google Drive whenever you're composing an email in Outlook. Instead of manually downloading and uploading files, you can just select them from your Drive and send them instantly. That's all there is to it. Now your Google Drive is linked to Outlook, making it easier to send files straight from your cloud storage. If this video helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to Foxtecc for more useful iPad and iPhone tips. Thanks for watching and see you later.